Friends, hello everyone. Welcome to this channel. And in this video, I will show you and tell you how you can easily change the language in Google Chrome on your device. Please, friends, subscribe to our channel. Also put your likes, write comments at the end of the video. And let us get started with you. So, open Google Chrome on your phone. After that, in the bottom right corner, click on the three dots. Then you'll get this kind of sign menu. You'll need to scroll through it until you find the settings. Click on them. Next, in settings, you will also need to scroll down until you find the language. Click on that. And here, as you can see, I, for example, have several languages installed. And if you don't see the language you want here, then click Add Language. And you can either scroll down and find the language you want, or you can search for it in the search box. And then, if you just click on it, it'll be added instantly. In the same way, you can remove a language. To do this, swipe from the right side to the left. You will see the word Delete appear. Click on it. And let's say, if you want to switch from one language to another, then you will need to delete all the languages you have. Leave only the one you will need. And then click Ready. That's it, folks. That's how you will be able to change the language of Google Chrome on your device. I really hope this video was useful and helpful for you. Please write a comment, put your likes, and also subscribe to this channel. See you soon.